So you're looking for your house for your growing family. I have the perfect house for you. This home is more than just right. With 2,456 square feet and a lot size over 24,000 square feet, it is perfect for you and your family. Enjoy peaceful nights with your family in this quiet cul-de-sac neighborhood with the view overlooking all of Hacienda Heights. This remodeled turnkey home at 2510 Mountain Brook Drive, Hacienda Heights has all the amenities you've been looking for. With 4 bedrooms and a huge bonus room and 3 bathrooms, there is plenty of room for you and your little ones. But don't just take my word for it. Seeing is believing. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, whether you're buying or selling a home, delivering peace of mind, reliability, and expertise is my top priority.